So first, I'm just going to be loosening her old weaves. The previous weave she was wearing before, we're just going to be loosening it. After loosening her hair, we'll just go ahead to straighten the hair just a little bit, just add a little heat. We do not want so much heat on her hair, so I'm going to be straightening it using my hand dryer. And the reason why I'm straightening is just so that I can easily pack the hair into a pony. Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? So this video is really detailed. I'm going to advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. This installation is going to be without baby hairs, so yeah, just continue to watch. Please do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up. You guys help our ministry. Please share the video. Please guys, share the videos to everyone. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think about this hairstyle or this video in the comment section below. I'm going to be packing her hair gradually into a pony using thread to do so. Guys, if you don't already know, we sell luxury hairs. We sell luxury, like good luxury hairs, and they are so affordable. You guys, I'm going to be leaving the website here on the screen, www.exquisitesignature.com. if you want us to customize your hair for you, we are going to do that as well. You can just send us a message. We have different textures of hairs, different lengths, and yeah, they are so affordable. You guys, just go ahead. We also have products, hair product as well, so in case you are interested, you can patronize us. Go ahead to check our website, is on the screen. While packing her hair into a pony, I'm applying shine and jam. So I'm applying shine and jam and also going to slick everything down. I'm going to be using got2b spray, and then after that we just use the thread to properly secure the whole process. So we'll be doing this to all parts of her hair until I'm done packing her hair into a pony. For this, I am not using gel. Alright, this is what it looks like. This is what the pony looks like. Moving on, I'm just going to apply the glue around her edges like so, and then spread the glue. For the application, I do like to apply the glue like about twice. I like to do this 2 times. The first application, I'm going to allow it to turn into like from a chalk white to a clear white, and then after that we'll wait for it to turn from a chalk white to a clear white. Then we'll still apply more glue on her hair and still wait for it. After applying the glue, we'll spread it as well, and then wait for the glue to turn from chalk white to clear white before I start to place the frontal. This frontal, I already used it before on a model, and I have done like the bleaching, tinting and plugging of the hair. I also cut the excess lace front in, or excess lace in front on another video, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box so that you can go and check it out. That is if you're interested, you want to see the whole process. So I have like 2 videos on that already. I'm going to leave it in the description box below, so that you can easily just go and check it out. So just go on to check on, or just go over there to check on the video. For this video, I'm just going to be installing the frontal because like I said before, I've used it before. So I'm just going to be installing the frontal, and then I'm going to be styling the tip in a different way. So yeah, just watch the video. And to hasten the process, the whole process of the drying, or for it to turn from chalk white to clear white, I'm going to be using my hand dryer on like a low heat. Right, at this point, I'm just going to allow you guys to watch to see the whole placing. Guys, if you don't already know, we sell luxury hairs. We sell luxury, like good luxury hairs, and they are so affordable, you guys. I'm going to be leaving the website here on the screen, www.exquisitesignature.com. If you want us to customize your hair for you, we are going to do that as well. You can just send us a message. We have different textures of hairs, different lengths, and yeah, they are so affordable, you guys. Just go ahead. We also have products, hair product as well, so in case you are interested, you can patronize us. Go ahead to check our website. It's on the screen.
Every time I put down, they show me that if I know loud, she got my back. I'm happy that say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Yeah. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Oh, baby, you can give it some.
Guys, if you don't already know, we sell luxury hairs. We sell luxury, like good luxury hairs, and they are so affordable, you guys. I'm going to be leaving the website here on the screen, www.exquisitesignature.com. If you want us to customize your hair for you, we are going to do that as well. You can just send us a message. We have different textures of hairs, different lengths, and yeah, they are so affordable, you guys. Just go ahead. We also have products, hair product as well, so in case you are interested, you can patronize us. Go ahead to check our website. Is on the screen.
Tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body
So after placing and installing the frontal, I'm just going to go ahead to start installing the bundles at the back of the hair. That's the tip of the pony.
Maybe I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoy and you're able to learn from this video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. Please share this video, give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. If you have any video suggestions, still leave it in the comment section as well. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.